It's been a long day. Anyway, you guys, today I want to talk to you guys about brand partnerships because your girl landed a brand partnership. Me landing brand partnership with 2,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I've heard people talk about brand partnerships, but they just talk when they are at 100,000, at 50,000 subscribers. And I made money with brand partnership at 2,000. Crazy. Glory be to God, because that is just amazing. So in today's video, I'd like to share my happiness with you and help you to get your first brand partnerships as well. I did not reach out to the company. So the first thing I can tell you guys when it comes to landing brand partnership, have a separate email where companies can reach out to you. When you reach 500 subscribers, have a business email. It doesn't have to be a business email. Just have a Gmail, a Hotmail, a Yahoo, any of them. Just open an email where they can reach out to you. Once you have that, you will start seeing emails coming in. So long as you are consistent on YouTube, people will reach out to you. Push content. With me, there is a video that got like 10,000 views within a year, which is so low, but again, that video, you guys, has made me money. Not only on this brand partnership, but it has also made me money when it comes to people reaching out to me. There are so many ways you could monetize on YouTube without actually depending on AdSense money. I don't even have that good number of views on this channel, to be honest with you guys. I don't, and I'm very positive that this can happen to anyone. Hey, so what you want to do is to make sure you have a separate email. The email connected to your YouTube channel should not be shared with anybody. I don't know whether this rings something in your mind. After creating that email, you want to put it on your about section. And also, when it comes to you uploading videos, you want to put it under each and every video so that all those managers, all those employees, and all those CEOs should see your videos. And when they see your videos, they will be able to reach out on your email. So don't sit there wanting brand partnerships, yet you don't have an email where people can reach out to you. So make sure you make that possible. Emails are the best places where brands reach out to people. So you have to check your spam mail, because there are legitimate companies that are being held on the spam mail as well. You also have to check your main inbox. Just create time for checking on those emails, replying to them, because the spam emails always disappear after like 60 days. So long as the company meets the requirements of partnerships, then it's good to start the deal, you know. Yeah, but if they have excuses when it comes to other things, then you have to cut that story short. When companies send you links, do not even try to click on the links. If it's so catchy, you can copy the link and paste it on another browser. Don't use the same email, because be sure you're going to lose that email. But make sure that your computer will not be interrupted, because there are also other people who just want some information about you. They don't even want to take over your YouTube channel. They just want your private information, which is crazy. So make sure you take care of yourself, because emails are places where things happen a lot. People lose a lot of their channels. You guys have heard so many people saying, oh, they lost their channel. Oh, how do they recover their channel? It's because they're being sent links that are catchy. They're just catchy links. Even if it's a small deal, but someone wants to pay you a lot of money, that is like a red flag. So don't even try to click on their videos. Just delete and move on. I've seen friends that lost their stuff, and it's not funny, you guys. It's not funny. If it's me, it's been 3 years on YouTube and I still have 2,000 subscribers. So imagine how many people want channels that they can start doing their stuff on. So don't allow that to happen to you. Another thing when it comes to brand partnerships is about agreement. Whether you'll be having a chat or whether you'll be having a video call, make sure you record. If they don't have a contract, make sure you record their video. Whether it's a call, whether it's whatever, just make sure you record it, because you need that as evidence of work. If they fail to pay you, you will use that against them. That is the most important thing. Otherwise, you'll just be doing something for someone for free. If they don't have the contract, record everything, screenshot everything that needs to be screenshotted, but make sure you don't tell, because it's kind of weird. So long as they breach their terms when it comes to what you agreed, you are allowed to go ahead and file a case or something. They reached out to you and they promised something, and if they don't deliver that thing, they have to pay for it. They have to pay for your time, for your effort and everything. When it comes to creating YouTube videos, it takes a long time, and some people even use money. So if they want to lay around and just lie to you for them to just get exposure and then use you and dump you, don't even try to agree to anything of that sort. In order to negotiate with people, you have to understand their company and what they are necessarily talking about. So let me say you work with this beauty company and they want to send you a set of hair or maybe a set of lippies or something. You have to know what their mission is, what they really want, so that you can put that over to your audience. Do research on that particular company, see their mission, see their vision, see which kind of influencers they have worked with, were they paid or not. You know, just do your research. Do not just start work when it comes to a company and they basically don't pay people. So make sure you reach out to a few of the influencers they've worked with, hear what they say. If they are positive about it, then you can go ahead and do the job for them. Don't just go there blindly. The next thing that I'd like to say about negotiation is like knowing your worth. Knowing your worth on YouTube is very important. There are companies out here with the money. When it comes to small creators, most people interact with their content. When a company wants a deal with you, they have to pay you for the video or for the mention, and also they have to pay you for the referrals as well. Unless you come to agreement that they pay you for the video only and then there is nothing else being paid for the referral, or they pay you for the referral only and nothing else is being given for the videos. So you have to come up with a solution to this. With me, neither way, I always want for both. You don't have to be having even a media kit, you guys. You just tell them what your worth comes from making a YouTube video. It just depends. Most of the companies usually have their own budget, so you should ask them what their budget is. They have to give room for negotiation. They have to go on video calls with you. They have to send you messages. They have to explain to you why is it that they want you from your channel. Some people will even reach out to you on your email and they don't even know your name and they have watched your video, or maybe they just claim that, oh, I love your content, and they don't even know what they're talking about. Those are the companies or those are the brands you want to cut out immediately. If they don't know about your channel, cut them out there and then. Don't go further, because they don't even have time to check on your channel or check on your videos and then get to you with the right information. You know, as a channel, we talk about making money online. It's just about finance, and then someone wants me to review their hair. How is that related to my channel? If they want you to work for them, they have to stay updated with your channel. So you have to be strict when it comes to you working with brands. Do not take this thing lightly, because there's so many brands that I have let go. So many, you guys, so many. I don't even rely on Google AdSense. Right now I have like $5 on my account this month. I don't know. And it's not even adding up. I don't even look at that. What I look at is, what do my audience need? What do they really want me to do for them? And then I also focus on what do I also want for myself, for my personal growth. How do I want to grow financially? And in what way do I want to share this with my audience? And in what way will brands find me? So you also have to show interest in different things. I share so much about affiliate marketing, making money online, drop shipping, stuff like that. So if a company wants to reach out to you, they will reach out to you according to the videos that you placed on your channel or according to the engagement. So for example, if my previous video got around 200 views, then they will check how do people engage on that video, what are the kind of questions they are asking, stuff like that. And then they will also look at the general performance of the channel. They will look at your consistency, because you are still a growing channel, okay? So they will also be benefiting, because they will not have to pay you a lot of money. That one is also something that will benefit them on their end. I also pray that you guys will always stick to your principles, and also you will also listen to what your audience want on YouTube, because that is what brings views, that is what brings growth, that is what brings a community of people together. I hope someone will get the courage to start, or maybe get the courage to carry on when it comes to reaching out to brands, creating that email or something. So yeah, if you got a ton of help from the video, please do leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notification so you don't miss on my next upload. Peace out.